Hello, this is Mrs. Hogg from the Moss Library. I'm going to show you how to access the library catalog. That's to show you what books we have available and also how to access electronic books that you can read on your device. So as you can see, I'm in my class links or launchpad or apps, whichever you want to call them, and I'm going to look for an icon called Follett. Now the icon may be down around here somewhere. Just look carefully. Follett. It says Library Catalog Student. I'm going to click on that. It may take a minute to load. The first thing you see is Contact Mrs. Hogg. This is important. If you're still going to school at home through your computer, then you will have to contact me to check out a library book. You can check out a library book, but your parents are going to have to call me, or somebody from your home is going to have to call me or email me to make arrangements to pick up the books. So all that information is right there. So we have different topics. We have ebooks, which we'll get back to in a second. We have popular titles. If you see the little red icon, that means the book has been checked out, or if we have quite a few books from last year that have been lost. So if you have any books at home from last year, you feel free to send them back. Let's say I want to, here's the Dog Man and Cat Kid book, one of my favorites. If I want to send a notice to Mrs. Hogg saying I would like to check out this book, I'm going to click on hold. I can also click on it and click on more details, and it will give me more details about the book. Give me the summary. Let's say, you know what, I think I remember already reading this book. I can click on unhold, or if it's a favorite, I can add it to my favorites. I'm going to click on unhold right now, and then I can close this out, which there's a little red X in the right hand corner. You can also look at the recently added books, and remember, all you have to do is click on hold. Now let's get back to ebooks. Ebooks are books you can read right on your device. So I want to click on Disgusting Animals. That seems like a good book for me to read. I'm going to click on Open if I want to read it right away. It may take a minute for it to open up. And as you can see, it has the pages, it has the pictures, it has the words. Wherever you see these little arrows to the left and right, you can turn it and go back and forth through the book. Also, you can't see it, but in the top right hand side, or right here, it says close book. When I'm done, I can close the book and I'm done reading it. Let's say I want to keep this book to read it for a couple days. I can click on check out. And when I'm done reading it, I can just click on return, or in 7 days, the book will automatically be returned for me if it's an ebook. I also have this little icon up here. If I want to go back to the home page, I can click on discover. I can also click on my stuff. This tells you what books you have checked out. Right now I have Disgusting Animals checked out, and this is where I can open it to read it again, or some more. I can also click on holds. This tells me, oops, I have no holds. It says I do, but I don't. So let's go to Discover. Ooh, Captain Underpants. I'm going to put that on hold. And then let's say I also want to put on Dork Diaries on hold. So I'm going to click on my stuff and click on holds. And now I see the books I've requested to be on hold. Miss Hogg, if I'm here at school, will bring into my class. It may take a morning or two, but I'll be there to deliver them. And then I can take them home and read them, and then bring them back when I'm done. We don't have fines at this school, but if you do lose it, we do ask that you replace it if possible. We have favorites, so any books that I want listed as my favorites. And then once again, I can review and see what books or ebooks I have checked out right now. So this is called Destiny Discover, and this is how you request to put a book on hold. If you have any questions, let me know. Mrs. Hogg in the Moss Library.